Manning and the Broncos D dismantle the Patriots. The Broncos punched their own ticket to the Super Bowl after a much-typed matchup between Peyton Manning and Tom Brady. In the end, the QB that most had counted out delivered the knockout as the Broncos dethroned the Patriots 20-18 Sunday. Manning may not be the quarterback he used to be, but Denver didn't need him to be. Peyton was steady, smart, and efficient, connecting with tight end Owen Daniels twice for 2 huge touchdowns. But the MVP of the game was once again the Broncos defense. Brady was under pressure all game, getting sacked 4 times and smoked 23 times. DeMarcus Ware and Von Miller were breathing down Brady's neck all day long. It also didn't help that Gronk was struggling with cramps and needed to be fed oxygen. The Broncos D pretty much dismantled New England piece by piece. With the win, Denver now heads to Super Bowl 50 to face Super Camp and his Panthers.